The new GLCM Motorized switch disconnectors are an innovative, reliable, and easy-to-install solution. They automatically manage the switching between a primary power line and a secondary emergency power line, ensuring power continuity for priority loads. Inside the box, you'll find some accessories to help you with use and installation. Let's see what's inside. As soon as you open the package, you'll immediately find the manual, which is essential for installation and proper use. You'll also find the mounting kit with screws, nuts, bolts, and washers, which you'll need to connect power lines 1 and 2. In the other bag, you'll find the handle for manually operating the switch, along with its bracket and terminal blocks. The bracket can be installed onto the switch or mounted on a DIN rail, so you can always find the handle when needed. And finally, the packaging incorporates 2 handles to help you safely remove the switch from the box. Happy installation!